This is not a test. This is an emergency action notification. An asteroid impact warning is effective immediately. NASA has confirmed an asteroid. An asteroid that is approximately 0.6 miles in diameter is heading towards our Earth. This is a life-threatening situation that may have global consequences. Impact time is 11:18 p.m. Please seek shelter inside of a sturdy building, preferably underground. Stay away from windows and interior walls. Please stock up on essentials, food, water, medications, and emergency kits. Stay tuned to local news and follow all instructions. This is not a test. This is not a test. Major updates surrounding the impact. The major asteroid was expected to hit at about 11:18 p.m. Est, but it has been confirmed that the asteroid is going to hit 4 hours earlier, at 7:13 p.m. In other words, the asteroid will be striking Earth in a little less than a minute. Please stock up on essentials, food, water, medication.